Trading day, trading day. Yeah, it's a new trading day. The date is May 22nd, 2026. Today I made $645 across my two Tradify accounts. Today was super interesting. I I missed two trades. Um, Missed two trades and then finally took the third one that was pretty obvious as well. The first one was extremely obvious, but I just missed it. I don't know if that's like gonna be a continued I don't know if that's gonna continue like in the future of my trading journey, but yeah, that's pretty annoying. But yeah, I'm happy I made a trade today. I think we're gonna end the week off of a little over what $5,000 for the week, which is pretty good, and I'm thankful. Um, but yeah, let's jump into the market. I mean, let's jump into the beginning of the video or the beginning of what happened today. Um, it was pretty casual. I mean, like what happened was what's been happening. Um, I will say though, at the start of the day, coming into it, I didn't have many draws and liquidity here. I didn't really know exactly where price wanted to go. Um, as you see, it grabbed a high instantly. But I didn't know. I wanted to take shorts. I wanted to see a good trade. I didn't really know what to target here. So I was looking at the 1 minute or 1 hour. You can see there's no 1 hour here except for this one, but this is obviously at 9. No 1 hour here. There's no 4 hour. Oh, that was a 30 minute. There's no 4 hour. Um, yeah, there wasn't any untapped anything except for a 30 minute. So yeah, coming into the market, I saw this 30 minute here, and all I wanted to see was price either go up and tap it or come down, tap in and see good longs. I didn't really even like this 30 minute if I'm being honest. Price was already so close when the market opened. But yeah, that's what I was seeing. 30 minute here, bullish 30 minute. And then another thing I saw after this 30 minute was about to get hit, like right when it was about to get hit, I saw this 15 minute here. Um, and yeah, that's kind of where I wanted to see a good. Sorry, I'm all over the place right now. I need to one take this though. I wanted to see a good setup towards these directions. So yeah, coming to the market, um, did what I usually did, went straight up to a certain target, and it's crazy because it made like a perfect setup. This is the setup I missed. It made a perfect setup right off the market open. Came up, made a bullish for value gap here, came and grabbed this high. By this wick, I knew that we were probably gonna go down. Came and inversed it. Made a beautiful. I think I made a 3 minute, right? Yeah, made a beautiful 3 minute here, right? And so this is what I should do. This is what I should have done. I should have saw the 3 minute inverse. Should have went down to the lower time frame. Saw how it tapped into it over three times. Oh no, no. Well, yeah, over three times. One, two, three, four times. And then I should have had my entry probably at the third one and took beautiful shorts down to. Knowing me, I probably would have took it only down to this entry of the 1 minute fair value gap here. But that would have been my trade for the day, and I would have been able to get off the charts. Obviously, I missed it. Um, Super annoying, but it's whatever. But yeah, so I made a literally my A plus setup, and I missed it. Then it ended up making. I think this was a what minute was this? Three? Yeah, it made a 3 minute fair value gap. Another one made another 3 minute fair value gap. Price tried to inverse it, which and it's funny because like this is an inverse theoretically, but it's not a strong one. So Price tried to have a strong inverse, didn't work. And if you guys were actually looking at the charts around this time, you probably saw how this candle right here, exactly at 10 a.m., just like sunk instantly. I don't know if there was like some type of news that I missed. I'm not too sure, but price just sunk instantly. No, no, sorry, it came up then sunk. So yeah, 9:59. This candle, it literally has no bottom wick. It was like coming up like this, and it just shot up all the way and then came all the way down right after that. So that was super weird, and that almost made me not even want to take a trade today, because if price is gonna do that, bro, and I'm gonna get like stopped out from that, that's just brain dead. I would not want to take that chance. Yeah, what happened after that? Price came down all the way to my 30 minute, and that's when I realized or that's when I felt like I missed a trade or missed a full opportunity. Was thinking about getting off the charts. But then it came up, kind of started consolidating. I think this is a five. Yeah, this is a 5 minute. Started consolidating, bouncing up and down a little bit. Then I saw that there was a 2 minute above this right here. Wait, yeah, there's a 2 minute here. And so I was like, okay, price is probably gonna try to come up into this because it always has to grab the second fair value gap, which is what I say in all my videos. Has to grab the second one or inverse the second one for it to be a valid inverse or continuation. And it did that. It grabbed it, but then it inversed it. That was enough confirmation for me to go into the market. Came up, started coming down. I was like, okay, bet. Went into the market. Targeted this 30-minute low or 30-minute untapped for a value gap here. And yeah, made $645 across my two accounts. It's like 12, what, 12? You guys can do the math. It's in the title. It's in the title, like 1250, 12 something, $1,200 on a day. And yeah, and it's crazy because I was initially wanting it to also come all the way down here to this 15-minute untapped, but the way it was reacting off of this 30-minute made me not even want to like take that risk. You could see like, and this was after I was out of the trade. It just kept on just bouncing off of it in a weird way. So I was like, I'm good off this. I'm just gonna let it, you know, I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'll just take my small profit. And yeah, yeah, came down to that 30 minute, took my profit. And yeah, I'm definitely done for the week, obviously, because it's a Friday. But I also want to practice not taking too many trades. I realize the more you wait, the faster it will come to you, especially in trading, and that's a really important thing for me. I realize that all you need to do is take your time with trading, and that's how you're gonna end up being profitable the fastest way. Taking a lot of trades in one day will not just make you profitable. The more trades you take, the more you're likely to lose. So I take one trade a day, no matter what. Maybe two. You guys see me take two, like what? Maybe twice on this whole channel. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna end the week with about $5,000. I'm very blessed. I am still trying to learn a lot. I need to study today. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my trade of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any advice, be sure to put it in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.